Switching from one Samsung to another? Transferring your calendar can be tricky. In this video, we'll show you easy ways to sync your calendar between two Samsung phones. Let's dive in. Way 1. How to transfer calendar from Samsung to Samsung via phone transfer. What is the most effective method for transferring calendars to a new Samsung phone? Phone backup is undoubtedly a suitable solution. This intelligent tool is designed to facilitate the transfer of nearly all data. Step 1. Install and open the tool on your computer. Connect the source Samsung phone to the computer via USB cable and ensure you have enabled USB debugging mode on Samsung. Click Backup to start backing up the Samsung calendars to the computer. Step 2. Tick on Calendar and click Backup at the bottom right corner of the screen to start the backup. Step 3. During the backup task, do not disconnect Samsung from the computer. It'll take a few minutes to complete. Step 4. After that, unplug the phone from the computer and link your new Samsung device to this computer. Then, click Restore from the main interface. Step 5. Click Calendar from the left sidebar, select the files you need, and tap Restore to Device from the bottom right. The job will be over in a few minutes. You can then check the restored calendars on the recipient directly. Way 2. How to transfer calendar to new Samsung phone with Smart Switch. Install Smart Switch on both phones. Launch the app. Enable NFC on Galaxy S4. Tap Connect and select Samsung device. Choose Calendar and hit Transfer. Accept on the destination phone. Transfer complete. Way 3. How to sync calendars between two Samsung phones via Google Backup. On the old Samsung, add Google account and sync. Add Google account in Calendar app. Set up Google account on the new phone. Events sync automatically. Way 4. How to transfer calendar from Samsung to Samsung over Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on both phones. Pair the devices. In Calendar, long press an event. Tap Share Bluetooth. Accept the transfer on the new phone. Events transfer automatically. Way 5. How to transfer calendar to new phone Samsung by Samsung Cloud. Backup. Go to Settings Backup, select Calendar, and tap Backup. Restore. Go to Settings Restore. Select your Samsung account, choose Calendar, and tap Restore.